Hey everybody, it's Sean, and I am here at Goosenecks State Park in southeastern Utah, right on the border of Arizona. And of course, the park is named after that awesome gooseneck of the San Juan River. So I just rode my electric bike around all of the dirt road that's here within the park. A little bit rocky, but the bike did just fine, and pretty impressed with it. And I just have to say the one thing about this bike, had I not had the bike, I wouldn't have done that. So I got to enjoy some amazing views. I've taken some pictures, and I'll show those within the video, but pretty impressed so far. I mean, and we've had the bike, we've got over 100 miles on it now, close to 120 miles on it. Still pretty happy with it. I do need to figure out how to secure the battery that, you know, makes that battery jiggle and thump in the frame. That gets kind of annoying, but other than that, still absolutely pleased with the bike. So just pan around. Absolutely amazing here. It's November, and as a matter of fact, it is November 17th today, and fortunately we came at a time when drone flights are not prohibited. According to the sign up there, they're prohibited from March to October, so have the opportunity to fly the drone a little bit, get some different perspective on this gorgeous piece of real estate. Angie's gonna take the bike for a little ride, so we get a little bit of this in the background in the story of the traveling XP bike.